Information technology, it, is the backbone of modern businesses, powering everything from infrastructure and networks to software applications and cybersecurity. IT professionals are responsible for ensuring systems run efficiently, troubleshooting issues, and supporting employees and clients with technology. Because of the critical nature of their work, IT interviews often test both technical expertise and problem-solving skills, alongside communication and adaptability. Preparing for an IT interview involves more than memorizing technical concepts. Interviewers want to assess your ability to analyze problems, implement solutions, and communicate effectively with non-technical stakeholders. This guide will cover common IT interview questions, provide sample answers, and offer practical tips to help you present yourself as a skilled, confident, and versatile candidate. Question 1. Can you describe your experience with IT systems and technologies? Here's how you can answer. I have hands-on experience managing IT systems including servers, networks, and workstations. I have worked with operating systems such as Windows and Linux, and I am familiar with network configuration, troubleshooting, and software deployment. Additionally, I have experience supporting end users, resolving technical issues efficiently, and maintaining system security. Tip: focus on technologies and experiences that align with the role you are applying for. Highlight both technical skills and practical application. Question 2. How do you approach troubleshooting technical issues? Here's how you can answer. I follow a structured approach. Identify the problem, analyze possible causes, test potential solutions, and verify the resolution. For example, when a user could not access the network, I checked connectivity, reviewed configuration settings, and traced the network path, ultimately resolving the issue by correcting a misconfigured IP setting. Tip: employers value methodical problem-solving skills and the ability to stay calm under pressure. Question 3. Can you explain the difference between a LAN, WAN, and VPN? Here's how you can answer. A LAN, local area network, connects devices within a limited area, such as an office or building. A WAN, wide area network, spans larger geographic areas, connecting multiple LANs. A VPN, virtual private network, allows secure remote access to a network over the internet. Understanding these distinctions is important for configuring networks and maintaining security. Tip: use practical examples from your experience, such as implementing a secure VPN for remote employees. Question 4. How do you handle system security and data protection? Here's how you can answer. I follow best practices such as regular software updates, strong password policies, and access control. I also implement firewalls, antivirus solutions, and data encryption. Additionally, I educate users about phishing and other security risks. For instance, I once implemented multi-factor authentication across our company, which significantly improved system security. Tip: show both technical knowledge and proactive measures to prevent issues before they occur. Question 5. How do you manage backups and disaster recovery? Here's how you can answer. I implement regular automated backups and periodically test them to ensure reliability. I also maintain off-site or cloud backups to protect against physical damage. In a previous role, I helped develop a disaster recovery plan that included server replication and step-by-step recovery procedures, ensuring minimal downtime in case of system failures. Tip: highlight practical steps and examples that demonstrate your reliability in safeguarding company data. Question 6. Can you explain what Active Directory is and how you've used it? Here's how you can answer. Active Directory, AD, is a directory service used to manage users, computers, and permissions in a Windows environment. I have used AD to create user accounts, assign permissions, manage groups, and implement policies such as password expiration and login restrictions. It helps maintain organization, security, and efficient user management across the network. Tip: include real-life scenarios to show your practical understanding of administration tasks. Question 7. How do you handle software installations and updates? Here's how you can answer. I assess compatibility and system requirements, schedule installations during low usage periods, and communicate with end users about changes. I also perform testing after updates to ensure that applications function correctly. For example, I managed a company-wide upgrade to Microsoft Office, coordinating deployment and resolving issues promptly to minimize downtime. Tip: show that you are detail-oriented and understand the importance of minimizing disruptions during updates. Question 8. How do you handle IT support requests from users? Here's how you can answer. I prioritize requests based on urgency and impact, document all actions, and communicate clearly with users about timelines. I also follow up to ensure issues are resolved satisfactorily. For example, I set up a ticketing system in a previous role, which improved response times and allowed better tracking of recurring problems. Tip: highlight your communication skills, organizational ability, and commitment to user satisfaction. Question 9. What experience do you have with cloud computing? Here's how you can answer. I have experience using cloud platforms such as AWS and Microsoft Azure for storage, deployment, and application hosting. I have configured virtual machines, managed cloud security, and migrated local applications to cloud environments. This experience allows me to leverage cloud solutions for scalability, cost savings, and improved system availability. Tip: mention specific platforms or projects to demonstrate hands-on experience. Question 10. How do you keep up with emerging IT trends? Here's how you can answer. I regularly read industry blogs, attend webinars, and participate in online forums. I also experiment with new tools and technologies in personal projects to gain practical experience. Staying updated helps me recommend improvements and adopt solutions that increase efficiency, security, and performance. Tip: show curiosity, continuous learning, and a proactive approach to staying relevant in a rapidly evolving field. Final thoughts. IT interviews test both technical knowledge and problem-solving capabilities. Employers are looking for candidates who can troubleshoot issues effectively, maintain secure systems, and communicate technical solutions clearly. Preparing structured answers with examples from real experience will help you demonstrate your competence and readiness for the role. Additionally, soft skills such as communication, teamwork, and adaptability are equally important. During the interview, speak confidently, provide measurable examples, and show your eagerness to contribute to the team. By combining technical expertise with clear, practical communication, you can present yourself as a well-rounded IT professional capable of handling diverse challenges.